So hello, my name's Tom Rice from the User Experience and Fiori Product Management team, and I'd like to give you an introduction to the award-winning Fiori 2.0 user experience coming your way with S/4HANA 1610. So what we see here is the homepage with a new Belize theme, and one of the important aspects with Fiori 2.0 is helping you get your work done quicker and more effectively. And one of the aspects is navigation. You see here the anchor bars, and on the right you see notifications. And you can navigate directly here to workflow items. So let's have a look at the notification area here on the right. As you can see, you've got notifications. You can group them by type, for example, expand the groups, looking at the requisitions that you have by date. And now let's have a look at one of these items. You see you can actually approve or reject directly without even having to go into them. Or you can also click on the notification, go directly into the inbox item itself and process there. Okay, so if we go back, we see here another aspect of navigation is the Me area. You can not only start applications via tiles, you can also now look at the recently used applications and start them. And these are available everywhere, not just from the home page. From any application you can go and start a recently used app. Okay, another important aspect is you can very easily configure the layout of the home page for yourself. So you can just move tiles around, for example. You can also go into the Me area and edit the home page, as you can see. And for example, you can simply just move the groups around, or you can even add new groups. To do that, you go into the App Finder, where you have a catalog of all the apps. You can also access via the User menu and the SAP menu the applications in the backend. So with S/4HANA 1610, you have the Fiori theme for all applications. You can use the homepage, the launchpad to access everything, not only Fiori apps, also SAP GUI and WebDyn Pro applications. Okay, so let's have a look now at how Fiori 2.0 helps you get your work done better. So I'm now a buyer. I'm looking at the procurement overview page, a new pattern with Fiori 2.0. As you can see here, we have cards which give you information at your fingertips about what you need to do. So this is helping you manage by exception. You see, for example, cards here for contract monitoring. So this contract, for example, is getting out of date, or urgent purchase requisition items, supplier evaluation trend, etc. You can click on each line to go into the details, click on the header going into the overall list. What's very cool is you can also filter. So you can filter here, for example, by the actual vendor. And then every tile shows only information relevant for that vendor. So if you were, for example, going to visit the supplier, you could do that. Obviously, here, for example, supplier evaluation trend isn't looking good. Let's drill down deep. You see here all the information already filtered for this one supplier. Now, another aspect that helps you work faster is search. And we've done a lot also here with search. So if we search, for example, for information around Polaris, you see here we immediately get the list, the results. Supplier is the first one, which you'd expect. You get information immediately that you can look at without having to drill down. And you also see here you've got direct access to further functions. So you can go immediately to actions around the supplier. Now what you can also do here is quite easily filter further, so do facet filters. So for example, look at all the purchase orders for Polaris, and even further you can go down and use this graphical filter, for example, and choose only the drills, and now you see all the purchase orders for Polaris relating to these drills. So as you can see, Fiori 2.0 helps you navigate and get your work done quicker. Here we're going down into the purchase order itself directly from the search result. So that was a quick overview of Fiori 2.0 with S/4HANA 1610. I hope you're now curious to learn more. Thank you.